Welcome back, guys. Today we have a club card, and the card have a 6 Trojan battery, 8 volt, and we are going to convert that Gulf card to the lithium battery. Let me open this one. I'll show you. It's very heavy, almost like a. The shipping is 96 pounds. There you go. So that's the battery. That's this one. I did check on the Google. The rating, the top rating on the Amazon, that is this brand. And that is the battery. LiFeP04. That's a 100 PA and a 200 ampere, 51.2 volt. I'll show you how to change with the battery. Not taking you a long time. Stay with me. So now I'm going to unscrew all the terminals. Before I will turn off this switch, so that will not so let me remove the screws. So we just remove these screws, and we don't need this wire. So that's the main positive, that's the main negative. And now we don't need these two and this one. Then we will remove the batteries. So we remove this main pipe. Now we will remove all the batteries. Now we are going to remove the batteries. So we will remove all these batteries, take off. And this thing, mostly people have the frame and they need to do the little amending on the floor, but I think we don't need any amending because the floor is really good, because that's the new Gulf card. It's not like a messy or any junk or anything else. So now you can see the whole cabin is clear, and hopefully we will fit our new battery here. But the thing is, that is the charging port. We don't need that one. That's the reverse. So might be we can leave the battery on this side and the charger on that side. So we are not going to touch this thing. So let me take off the battery. So here is the battery. As I told you, that's one of the top brand. If you will do the Google, that's actually 100 mAh. I was really shocked when I was going to do the order. I need a 105 mAh or 100, because 105 mAh is like a $150 more. But if you are driving the Gulf cart on the hill or the rough road, then might be you need a little bit more power. But if you need to drive on the ground, it's normal, so you don't need to pay the extra money. But I would recommend get the 100 mAh battery. As soon we will fix it, we will do the test drive, and I will make one more video after 1 month about the result. The battery is very heavy. I need the hand. So let me put the battery here, then I'll come back. So as you can see, we just put the battery here, but we did not plug in anything yet. The battery is there, the wire is there. I can tell you this battery is the weight is almost 96 pound, almost like a 35 kg one battery. But this battery is 35 kg, this 8-volt battery. So that means we are going to make the less load on this Gulf card. So that means before that the battery weight was almost like 600 pound on the Gulf card, but now 100 pound battery is there, so we are saving 500 pound. So if the two people will sit down here, so that means the Gulf card is still normal and it will give you more power, it will give you more mileage. So here is the terminal screws, and that's the charger. That's a special charger for the lithium battery. That's easy to hook up. That's the wire, and hopefully that is the straps. Let me open it. So that is wire. Let me leave it there. That is the monitor. Let me leave it there. That's the straps to tie down this battery, so that battery is not going to move. So let me find out the strap and fix it. So we just install the strap. It's very tight. That's the extra, leave on the side, so the battery is not moving. You can see the whole Gulf card is moving. Let me remove the terminals, the plastic capping. So make sure the red wire is going to red, this black is going to the black. Simple, nothing else. Then we will make the other changes. So that is the charging cord that will be plugging to this with the charger. Okay, so make sure when we are going to do it, so we will do a minus charging plus minus the Gulf card, plus charging with the plus Gulf card. So let me do the screws. So that black is charging, that's the battery. The Gulf card, that's the charging, that is this one. So that is going to be plugged with the charger. Here is the charger. So we can put down the charger here, and then this wire is going to be connected with this wire, and then we have this charger, and we have the extension cord for this one, and after that we will disconnect this charging, the old charging, or we can close it, or we will see, so nobody is going to charge this thingy, the old one. I just did the connection with the charger. This is the charger. I did the extension cord for this one. That thingy is there, that way and that way. So there is a one thing is left, that is the monitor. So I have this monitor, I have this wire. Let me open it. So the wire is very long. That side is going to connect with the battery. You can see here, and you can see they have there. We will connect that way. This side, this end is going to connect with this, and then we will fix this thingy either here or either here, so we can see the battery mileage and everything. So let me run the wire from this side to underneath to there, plug it there, then I'll see. One thing that does not send anything to tie down the charger, so I use the rope. So this thing is ready, this thing is ready, this charging port is ready. I will find out the connection somewhere from here to send outside to do this. Let me plug in this one, let's see. So that is the small monitor wire I just hook up. that is the wire. For the time being, I will just hook up with the monitor and let's see how this thing is giving me the reading. So I just hook up this monitor and they turn on here. It shows me the battery is 54%. I did not charge, I did not done anything. Later on I will do it underneath and I will fix it here, and let's see how this is going to do the result. Mostly people are saying it take like a 1 hour, 2 hour. This is my first time. I'm not a mechanic. I was scared how to do it, but I'll soon make sure as we done this one. So here is the charging port, the old charging port. Nobody is going to plug here the old charger. Either we need to cover this thing or either we need to cut the wire. So no mess, simple, very easy, nothing else. Make sure one more time we need to close this one, the old charging station. That's it. That's the new charging. I'll hook up, do the test drive, let's see. So I just put the seat back. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. So I did back to run, and for the timing I just wind up everything inside. So let me turn the key on. So that is my first. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, it's unbelievable, unbelievable. It's almost like the speed. Before that the speed was 25. It's going almost looks like a 40. Oh my gosh, that is giving an extraordinary speed. You guys won't believe that battery worth. I gave 10 star. Even there is a like 11 star, I will give the 11 star. So make sure anytime you're going to buy this brand. Please, I recommend this brand. 100 mAh. The price is $799.99. The link is in the descriptions. So they said that is a 5,000 plus cycle time. So it's unbelievable. You don't need to fill the water. You don't need to do anything. So bam, it's ready for 15 years. Please like, share, thumbs up. Thank you very much.